Drones are no longer just for professionals. Today, you can get good quality drones at a price that does not hurt your budget. I have listed the best 5 budget drones you can actually afford, each offering useful features for beginners and casual flyers. These drones give you decent cameras, stable flight, and simple controls without spending too much. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. This way, you can easily choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Number 5. Holy Stone HS440G. This is one of the best choices for those who want a portable and easy-to-use drone under budget. Weighing less than 250 grams, it does not require FAA or remote ID registration, which is a huge plus for beginners and casual users. Its compact design and included carrying case make it convenient to take on trips, hikes, or vacations without worrying about space. The highlight here is the 4K UHD camera, which captures crisp photos at 3840 by 2160 resolution and streams smooth 2K video in real time up to 1640 feet. With a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 5 GHz FPV transmission, it delivers clear aerial perspectives that are ideal for social media content or casual videography. Performance-wise, it comes equipped with brushless motors, ensuring stable flight and quiet operation even outdoors. The 23-minute battery life per charge is decent for this size and price range. Intelligent GPS functions like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Auto Return make it easier to focus on filming rather than worrying about losing your drone. For anyone new to drones, this is highly beginner-friendly with features like one-key takeoff/landing and emergency stop. It's a budget-friendly drone that balances portability, reliability, and quality camera features, making it one of the best compact drones you can actually afford. Number 4. Blinary X60. This is the best option for beginners and kids who want to experience drone flying without spending too much. It weighs less than 250 grams, which means no FAA or remote ID registration is required. This makes it simple for first-time users to start flying right away. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it travel-friendly and easy to store. It features a 2K HD camera with 90 degrees electronic adjustment, which is good for casual photography and video. With 5 GHz FPV transmission and built-in shock absorption, videos come out stable enough for sharing on social media. The camera quality won't compete with higher-end drones, but it's perfect for beginners looking to experiment. What sets the X60 apart is its fun factor. It includes features like 360 degrees flips, gesture selfies, waypoint flight, headless mode, and gravity control, all controllable through the Blinary Go app. This makes it more than just a drone. It feels like a playful gadget you can enjoy indoors or outdoors. With 2 modular batteries providing up to 32 minutes of flight time, kids and beginners have enough flying time to practice without frequent recharging. Brushless motors add durability and smoother performance compared to cheaper brushed motor drones. If you want a fun, easy-to-control, and affordable drone for kids or first-time flyers, this stands out as the best beginner-friendly choice. Number 3. Potensic Atom. This is best for users who want long flight times and reliable performance without breaking the bank. Weighing under 249 grams, it's regulation-friendly and does not require FAA registration for recreational flying. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry around, while the durable build with brushless motors ensures stability even in level 5 wind conditions. The drone comes with 2 batteries, each lasting up to 31 minutes, giving a total of 62 minutes of flight time. This is perfect for travelers and creators who need extended shooting sessions. Along with long flight times, it also offers 4-kilometer video transmission via PixSync 2.0 technology, ensuring low latency and stable footage even at long ranges. Camera quality is impressive at this price. The 4K EIS camera with Sony sensor delivers sharp 12MP photos and smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Its Shake Vanish technology reduces motion blur, while the adjustable lens offers flexibility for capturing landscapes and close-up shots. The Surge Fly control system provides multiple modes: beginner, normal, and sport, allowing pilots to progress from learning to more advanced maneuvers. GPS-assisted features like auto return, follow me, waypoints, and circle flight make it safe and creative to fly. If you're looking for a drone that balances long flight times, strong transmission range, and solid camera performance, this is easily one of the best value options in the budget category. Number 2. Ruco F11G IM2. This is best for those who want strong performance and professional features at a reasonable price. It comes equipped with a 4K per 30 frames per second camera supported by a 2-axis gimbal and EIS. This combination delivers smooth and cinematic video quality, making it ideal for vlogging, travel videos, or semi-professional projects. The camera also offers 5x zoom and an 80 degrees adjustable lens for flexible shooting. One of its biggest strengths is flight endurance. With 2 intelligent batteries, you get up to 64 minutes of total flight time, which is excellent for extended aerial sessions. The drone also features a 5-kilometer real-time video transmission range, ensuring you can capture footage far from your starting point without losing connection. Durability is another highlight. This is built with brushless motors and can withstand level 6 winds, which means it remains stable in conditions where many budget drones would struggle. This makes it a reliable option for outdoor flying, whether at the beach, mountains, or windy open spaces. Smart GPS features like auto return, follow me, waypoints, and point of interest enhance the flying experience, making it easy to operate even for beginners. It's also FAA Remote ID compliant, so it's ready for long-term use under regulations. If you want a drone that pushes budget limits while still delivering professional-like results, this is the best high-performance drone under budget. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. This takes the spot as the best overall budget-friendly drone. DJI has a strong reputation in the drone industry, and the Mini 4K brings many of its premium features into an affordable package. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational flying, making it beginner and regulation-friendly. Its biggest strength is the 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal. This setup delivers cinematic-level footage with unmatched stability, even in windy conditions. You can shoot crisp 12MP photos and smooth 4K videos, perfect for travel, creative projects, or professional-looking content. The Mini 4K also supports quickshots modes like drone, circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang, allowing beginners to capture professional-style footage with just a tap. Combined with GPS-assisted return to home and stable hovering, this drone is one of the safest and easiest to fly. With up to 93 minutes of total flight time and a range of 10-kilometer HD video transmission, it far outperforms most drones in this budget category. It's also wind-resistant up to 38 kilometers per hour, so you don't have to worry about shaky or unusable footage. For those seeking the perfect balance of price, performance, and camera quality, this is hands down the best overall drone you can actually afford. Whether you're just starting out or looking for an affordable upgrade, these 5 budget drones prove you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy great features and reliable performance. Each one offers solid value, making them perfect picks for anyone who wants to capture the skies without breaking the bank. To get the best deals on these drones, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.